Welcome back. We're wrapping up our setup section with a lecture on arguably the single most important syntactic rule in Python, indentation. In most programming languages, curly braces are used to define blocks of code, like the body of a function or a loop. In Python, we use indentation for this purpose. It is mandatory, not optional. What is indentation? Indentation refers to the spaces or tabs placed at the beginning of a line of code. In Python, when you start a new block of code, you must indent it. You can use 4 spaces for each level of indentation. Fortunately, modern editors like VS Code usually handle this automatically for you. Here, the 2 print statements that say, "Welcome, administrator," and "access granted," are part of the if block because they are indented. The final print, "program continues," is not indented, so it runs regardless of the if condition. When we run this, if isAdmin is true, all 3 lines run. If isAdmin is false, only the last line runs. Python uses the indent to determine the scope of the block. The critical rule. If you did not indent like this, it will raise an immediate error called an indentation error. So, remember, indentation is not style in Python. It is syntax. When you see a line ending in a colon, like after if, for, or def, you know the next logical line must be indented to start a new block. That concludes our setup section. You now have your environment ready, you can run your first script, you know how to comment your code, and you understand the importance of Python indentation. I'll see you in lecture 3.1 of the next section.